gonna make a grain-free oatmeal. It is amazing, it is delicious. The whole family loves it, my kids love it. For anyone that has an oat sensitivity, this is the perfect recipe for you. It's so simple. I just throw everything right into my Blendtec blender that I got from Costco. I love this blender, I use it so much. I used 2 ripe bananas, 1 apple. In this case, I used 1.5 apples because my apple was a little bit small. I used some cinnamon, and then I sprinkle in some nuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw in, you wanna chop up your apples a little bit. You can put in your bananas whole. And then chop up your apples. They don't have to be too small. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle in some cinnamon. I don't really measure, I just sprinkle it in. I like a lot of cinnamon, you can use whatever you like. I'm gonna pulse it just a couple of times. All right, I ended up using 2 full apples just because my apples were really small. It was a little bit too creamy, so I threw in the rest of that half apple, and it looks like oatmeal. It's just amazing. I love this combination. And if you don't like it this creamy, you can just chop up your apples a little bit smaller. I did probably about 10 pulses on my blender. So if you chop up your apples a little bit smaller, the banana won't be so creamy. It'll be more of an oatmeal texture, but this is how I like it. And it still gives that oatmeal texture. So I just put some in my bowl. It makes about 2 servings. So there's still quite a bit left in here. So now I'm gonna just sprinkle in some nuts. I like nuts in mine. Normally I would do some raisins, but I'm out of raisins, or you could do some fresh fruit. You could do other dried fruit, whatever your preference is, or you could even throw some flaxseed. I think I'm gonna sprinkle in some flaxseed. Just a little bit for an added boost. So this is great. Bananas, they make it sweet and add that creaminess. The apples are anti-inflammatory. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. The cinnamon, it's a strong antioxidant, also helps boost the immune system. Flax seeds are amazing. Try to sprinkle those in whenever we can, daily. This is the grain-free oatmeal. Super simple and delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.